Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how to convert a recipe based on if you have more or less of the product or one of the ingredients. So this recipe only has 2 ingredients, and keep in mind if it has more than one ingredient, your whole recipe is going to be adjusted, but for this one it's just 2. So we have 16 ounces for the original recipe of condensed milk are needed and 3/4 cup of cocoa powder, but we only have 7 ounces of condensed milk, so what we want to know is how much cocoa powder we will need. So first of all, let's set up the condensed milk because we know that. So you need 16 for the original recipe, and we have 7. So we'll just write OG for short. The bottom is the original recipe, and this is our converted. And we'll set this equal to cocoa because we know we need 3/4 cups. And these two correlate because for the recipe, if you want to make it the original way, 16 ounces of condensed milk for every 3/4 cups of cocoa powder. So now we're going to divide 16 divided by 3/4, and I already did this, and it's 22 1/3. So we know going from here to here, it's 22 1/3. So going this way, we're going to divide by 22 1/3, and we are going to get about 0.328. So you might be a little bit confused by our result of 0.328, and as 3/4 is in cups, this will be in cups too. That's a little bit harder to see, but we could take this and round up, and you'll get 0.33 cups. And 0.33, if you didn't know, is basically 1/3. If you have trouble converting from decimal to fraction, you could just look it up. But now we figured this out. So for 7 ounces of condensed milk, we will need 3/4 cups of cocoa. So I hope this helps you with your recipe conversions, and thank you for watching.